our channel. In last week's video, the kids celebrated July 4th with fun and games and had a super blast. So if you haven't seen that video out yet, please be sure to check it out. But in today's video, the kids will be learning how to make a kite for the very first time from scratch. So please join us as we make a homemade kite. Now who's ready to make a kite? Where's your working area, guys?
With Clementine, with Clementine.
Okay, Thunder, you go to the other side.
I want to have this color. Here.
Okay, go Sky. Okay. So what are the materials?
Mine.
What do you guys have in front of you?
This one.
2 sticks.
Yeah. 2 sticks. So we're gonna make a kite, and then you get out
Plastic strings. Yes. And you will need a what's this? Plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
So you ready, guys? Alright, okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we will make a cross. You see what the cross is? Like that.
Okay. A cross. Look.
So I will give you a string and you will tie a string here, okay, in the middle. A cross. Okay.
You got it like Clementine.
Here, Kai, here. Tie a string. Yep. You make a cross and then use the thread, okay?
Oh, good job, Kia's learning. Wow.
I need scissors.
Oh, careful with the scissors.
Scissors. Dangerous.
Very dangerous. It is good.
Nice. Looks ready.
Maybe.
Daddy will help you, Clementine.
I'll help Clementine.
Daddy will help you make the cross for the kite.
How do we tie it?
Kia got it. Super cool. Maybe we'll make it a little bit more tighter, okay?
But I tried.
No, you did good.
Okay.
Uncle Ivan will go there, Kia. Okay, Daddy will get you in a second, Babu. Oh.
Giant cross.
It's a giant cross. Daddy is the kite pro. Making it from scratch.
He is a pro. Kia could be my apprentice. Okay, figure it out.
Something, are you learning?
I can do it.
Oh, you can do it. Okay, Kia will help you.
Oh, you made it too long.
You guys are doing great though. Learning a lot of mechanics here in making kite from scratch.
Do it.
Yes, you can, Babu. What do you have here, Babu? You have 2 sticks.
It might be mine is much more bigger, so it has to take up more space. And
Yeah,
That's okay.
it's 2 there.
Oh wow!
Mine is big.
You guys are gonna have identical kites. So what's on 2 sticks, a garbage bag, and a thread, and a scissors. What we need.
But there's a problem.
Huh?
It's hold it.
Okay, let me. Okay, here.
Hold. Wait, I can't hold it.
Are you helping Clementine, Kia?
I am. I need to put this away. Drop it. Oh, hold it! Hold it the whole entire time.
Are you liking making a kite, Clementine?
Okay, who needs
What
help?
color is
Thunder?
your string?
Black.
Brown. Good job. It is
What
brown.
happened to you? Okay.
Thunder is getting one. Wow.
You ready, Thunder?
Yeah.
Thunder. Okay, here, Thunder. Observe.
Thunder, look
observe.
at Daddy's
look at it.
doing your yarn now.
This is yours. Okay, next is Clementine.
Yeah.
It's easy to make a kite. You just have to follow first the frame.
Yeah, Kia got the logistics. Thank you for helping Clementine, Kia. It's very nice.
It's easier now to pick it up.
What color? Oh, Kai has the gray string. Thunder has the green. Clementine brown and Kia purple.
Who's excited to fly this kite?
Huh? You need more air, right? Maybe a little bit more.
Before I made a kite, I have a kite before. I made it, and the kite went so far that it hit an airplane. Yep.
How?
Because I put a lot of thread.
There's a lot of thread.
Thunder's done.
Yay!
Wow, like this.
Let's put it there.
It's very strong. Look at that.
Next is Clementine.
And then we have this one's done. And then
Give me the
this
Clementine.
one. Clementine is the last one. Thunder, do you like flying kites? Kia, careful. You like flying kites, Kia? Yeah?
Careful, Kia.
Careful with the eyes, careful with the eyes.
Don't use that as a weapon.
It became a weapon now. Oh, look what Kia did. It's like a twirly thing.
Good job.
Nice. Clementine, Thunder too? Thunder's is cool.
Clementine's done.
Clementine is done. So everyone?
Okay, who's the next kite that wants me to make?
Me.
Okay, according to age. Kai first.
Oh, Kai is the eldest.
Me too. I'm
Wait.
Yeah. Careful, it's very
The
sharp.
sun is out.
It was supposed to rain that. Oh my goodness. Thank
Where's
goodness the
where's
skies
your
are
dad, Kai?
clear. It was supposed to rain. Go check it out.
Okay, so next is, this is what you're gonna do. So you see that diamond? Here, you see that thing? It's diamond, right?
We have to make the
It's diamond, right?
Yeah, you have to make it into a diamond because
So-
all kites are diamonds.
Right.
Good job.
So you tie it from here, the top. You tie it from the bottom, okay?
I'm trying to run.
Okay, let me do this one first. That looks like a diamond.
What is the shape of the kite, guys? It looks nice, baby. It's a window, Clementine?
Yeah.
Wow. You're doing it, Kia?
Yeah.
Wow. How dare you? Okay. Clementine. Hi, Clementine.
Where?
Look at that. Looks like a kite now.
Wow, looks nice, baby. That's nice.
Yeah, let me finish Kai first. You got it, Akia? Yeah, Kia. Oh, she knows what to do it.
Good job, Kia.
Good job, Akia.
Good job, Kia. Good job.
I know how to do this.
It's a window.
Did you think I don't know how to do this? I don't know this.
No, yeah.
You know this? You know this. Okay. Daddy, the window. Good daddy.
Oh, nice, baby. Look. That's fun. Look, Thunder. Thunder's learning a ton. That's nice, Thunder. You got it. You got the concept.
It's flying now. It's about to fly. You got it, Thunder? So you tie it at the edge of the diamond.
Thunder is doing a very Thunder's version. This is Thunder's version.
There's actually a box too. You can make a box kite.
I know they sell kites in Five Below.
Also like that challenging.
It's where you just fly it, right?
Yeah. The one that's fun is like the one you make it.
That's the last one.
That's true. We're gonna get. I can see the rain now.
On this side.
No, it's raining here on the side too.
No.
There's a tail and the kite's pretty, baby.
What, you made a tail?
Look, Uncle Ivan made a tail. Oh, looks like we're gonna get a bit of rain today. It's raining a little bit. Oh, it's fun.
Thunder, look.
Wow. You want a tail, Thunder? That's a very nice kite. Need help?
No, never. Look, Auntie Joe.
Oh. Huh? You can, here.
Thunder, you okay there? You're painting yours?
Thunder's doing a coloring. No, it's on the plastic bag. Rain and sun. You're doing designs, Thunder? You're doing designs?
I'm drawing next to the kite. Because I'm making a kite earlier. Here's my kite.
Very cool.
Hey, Uncle Ivan, on the show. Look.
Let me see.
It's complete. It's almost just one step.
Very good.
Good job, Akia.
I love that you're doing it very hands-on.
Okay.
Daddy will make you a tail, okay, Babu?
He make mine a tail too, Uncle Ivan.
Uncle Ivan will make the tail.
Make the tail. You have to color it.
It's flying. Wow.
Make me a kite.
Can you fly it, baby? Let me see your designs, Clementine. Purple? Pretty. Kia, are you writing something? What are you writing in your kite?
I love you, Mom.
Oh, that's a nice writing there.
What?
Show I love you, Mom. Very nice.
Go fire, okay? Right there. Okay, when I say run, you run, okay?
4, 3,
Okay.
2,
Ready? Go, run! 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 Yay!
Yeah!
One more.
It went
You have
for
to run fast because the wind there's no wind. Okay.
There's no wind, so you gotta be some.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
5,
Careful
4,
with the big camera.
3,
1, 2, 3, go run!
1.
Careful with baby girl. Go, run. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Okay, we'll make for the rest.
Like the message?
Nice! Yes, Kia! Fly the kite! Woo! Where's the wind?
It's gone!
Thunder's kite.
Go fight under the fire.
Careful with Kia.
Let's get them there.
We need some wind.
Nayan.
5,
Wow, Kia!
3, 2,
Okay, go run. Run.
Run, Thunder, run as fast as you can run! Wow! Woo! 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 Oh, I got yanked.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!